Hi everyone. In this video we will cover ID, last, uptime, users, W, who, difference, compare and sort command. So here first we will connect to our machine. So select EC2, instances, instance, connect. So here first we will execute uptime command. So this will display us the details like the number of logged in users on this system and how long the system has been running. So it is running from the last 4 days and 3 users logged in on the system. To check those 3 users detail, we can execute users command. So as you can see, it has given us the 3 users. So these are the username of users that are logged in on the system from the last 4 days. Again, we can check the currently logged in users detail using ID command. So this will display as the user ID and group ID of the currently logged in user. Then we can get the more details of this user using W and who command. So W command will display as the system uptime and the load averages and information about the users which is logged in on this machine. And same details we can get using who command. So this will also display as the information about the user which is logged in on the system. Then we have last command. So it will display as the username and the logged in time of that user. So this is the EC2 user and this is currently logged in. Similarly, it will display the logged in time and the session details of the user in the last 4 days. Now we will create 2 files and we will try to perform some operations like comparison, sorting and difference between the 2 files. For that, first we will create one file. Here we will add few lines. Then we will create one more file. Now our file 1 is in already sorted format and file 2, if you want to check the contents in sorted format, we can execute the command sort. So in this way we can get the sorted list, like we can see the contents of file 2 in the sorted format, but it is only in the display purpose. So actual contents are still in this format only. So now if you want to perform the compare and difference option, first we will edit the file 2 in the sorted order. For that we'll open vi editor and here we will sort our file. Shift I. Escape : WQ to save the contents. So in file 1 we have Amazon, ball, cat and dog, and in file 2 we have Amazon, bucket, dog, elephant and frog. So now if you want to compare, we'll execute compare file 1 name and second file name. So this shows us the 3 columns right now. So here we have ball and cat, then bucket, elephant, frog, and Amazon and dog. So as you can see, Amazon and dog, this is common in both the files. Then we have ball and cat, which is there in file 1. So which is not common in both the files, but it is in file 1. And here file 2 we are having Amazon, bucket, dog, elephant and frog. So these are the uncommon, which is not common element, and these are the common in both the files. Now if you only want to see the file 1 contents and the common contents, for that we can surface the second column. For that we need to execute compare -2. So now we can only see the column 1, so means the file 1 contents and the common contents of the both file. Similarly, if you want to only see the first we want to surface the first column and see the second file and the common details. For that we can use. So now this will show only the second file and the common details in the both the files. If we only want to see the common details and not the other columns, for that we can use this option -12. This will surface both the columns, like both the file contents. So and it will display only the common lines. So here in both the files we are having Amazon and dog. These two lines are only common. So as you can see here, Amazon is there. In second file also we are having Amazon. In here we are having dog, and here also we are having dog. So using this command we can directly get the only common elements or the common lines between two files in the same files. Now we will see the difference. So for that, difference file 1.txt, file 2.txt. Here we can use -c option. So now you can see this is our file 1, and from here our file 2 is starting. So Amazon is common in both the files. So there is no symbol in front of Amazon. Similarly, dog is common in both the files. So there is no symbol in front of dog also. But in file 1, ball is not matching. Similarly, cat is not matching. Here also bucket is not there. And this plus symbol displayed, it means that if we can add these lines in the first file, then those files become identical. Similarly, if we go for the different option, like first we will try file 2 and then file 1. Here this is our line first second file, and this is our first file, and here we can get minus. So if we remove this from the second file, then our files can become identical. So just remember, minus is for the delete and plus is for the add. If we add this content in the first file, then those two files can become identical, and similarly if we can remove this content from this file, then those two files can become identical. And this symbol shows us the difference between the two files, and where we are not having the symbols means those are the matching elements or the matching contents in two files.